Model, 2020 Mercedes Sprinter 314 CDI front-wheel drive L2 H1 fridge van none runner no VAT. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 199741. Engine, 2143 cc OM651 MI2 143 HP. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: engine spins over faster than normal, sounds like it has no compression, possible timing issues. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent, average condition. Interior is indecent, average condition. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, sat-nav, electric windows, start-stop, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,650 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.